Good morning, guys. It is Monday. It's the day before my birthday. It is the day before my birthday today. And I'm pretty much just gonna spend the day getting editing done. That's like my #1 priority. I was gonna film, but I don't think I'm gonna film today. I just want to get so much work done, like as far as like my job goes, so I can take off tomorrow, so I can enjoy my birthday tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. I cannot believe that it's already my birthday. I know that it's only February, but like, where did the time go? Like, honestly though, like, how is it already my birthday? I feel like we were just celebrating Christmas. So I guess today is officially 20 weeks of being preggo, which is exciting. I am measuring 2 days ahead. The person, she's like, you know, technically your due date should be so-and-so, but it's really up to your doctor if they feel like changing it or not. Because I had a first trimester ultrasound, I don't think they'll change it because they say that the first trimester ultrasound is actually more accurate. So I bet we're just gonna keep with the original due date. So, by the way, I ended up purchasing this pressed powder or loose powder I told you guys about, and it really has made a difference. I was recommended to use it with a beauty blender. However, beauty blenders to me, I feel like is just an extra step because you have to rinse it in the water, and then when I do that and I use the water on it, makeup ends up getting back on my hands, so then I have to wash my hands again because I like freshly clean, freshly clean hand whenever I do my makeup or any skincare. It blows my mind when people don't wash their hands. You're just pretty much putting even more bacteria onto your face. I just feel like it just adds extra steps. So that's why I really don't use that. I just use this brush. This is a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but it works perfect for under my eyes. Now, the rest of my face though, I continue with the pressed powder. I only set my under eye with the loose powder. Last night was the Super Bowl, which I was very excited to see that the Eagles won because they were who I was rooting for. I just feel like it was a very deserving team to win the Super Bowl. So we decided to be losers and stay at home, which I'm so glad that we did because we ended up having a really nice, relaxing night all day. Yesterday, we sat at home the whole stinking day, which is not normal for us. Our ultrasound was on Thursday, and so I really want to call the office today and see if they got the results in, but I'm like so positive that they didn't, that like I almost like will refrain from doing that, but I kind of want to call today. I downloaded a new app which I had before and I stopped using it, but it's called Google Keep, and it's basically a bullet journal, and I thrive on bullet journals. I can't always write things down though. Like if I'm out and about, like I need to know the list of what we need for the day, like what we need as far as groceries go. If I'm out and about, like I need to see what did I need to make sure I finished for work, because sometimes I can work from my phone, and so I need to have like a journal with me at all times, and so Google Keep has really helped with that. It's also helping me to get more stuff done because I can see, oh crap, like this stuff needs to get done, so I might as well be productive and get these things done. So it's been really, really nice. So I'm trying to follow that a little bit. Okay, makeup is done. I forgot how much I love just throwing on a little bit of concealer and a little bit of eye makeup and calling it a day. I'm just going to enjoy some coffee before I run to do my errands because where I want to go doesn't open for a while. So I'm just gonna relax and have some coffee. I'll get some editing done, and then I will run and do my errands. I'll get a little bit more bullet journaling done. I need to take a bump date photo today. My bump has definitely started to sprout. All right, so I am home from running my errands. I ended up getting a LifeProof case. I told you guys I was going to. I did go ahead and get one because spring is coming up and we do want to go to the beach, even though I will be a beached whale. I may do a review on it because literally you guys always are asking for reviews on phone cases. Like, I'm blown away how many times you guys ask for these reviews. I am trying to like get used to the fact that LifeProof does ruin screen quality. Like, you're not gonna see like images and everything as clear as you would without it on. This is what it looks like with a pop socket on it. I don't know if I want the pop socket on it. I don't know. I really need to do my nails tonight, but I don't know. Do I like the pop socket on it? Like, I feel like pop sockets are so dorky looking. Let me know if I'm the only one, but I just find pop sockets so dorky looking. I'm a little bit hungry. I woke up earlier today. I ended up waking up at like 6:30, and then I laid in bed till about 7, and then I finally got up. I just wanted to wake up early, I guess. My body just said, let's go. Last night we ended up ordering some pizza, so I have pizza left over. We had Olive Garden on Saturday. Seriously, like heaven in my mouth, like so good. If I have any cravings, I'd have to say Italian food is probably what I enjoy / crave the most. I love Italian food right now, especially Olive Garden, like their salad and their chicken parm. And if you get the chicken parm with the 5 cheese rather than the marinara sauce, to die for. Like, my husband and I ended up splitting my meal because his was like, he literally just got salmon and zucchini and it just like was barely any food. So he and I pretty much split my meal, and I think he actually ate the rest of it, but it was so delicious. I like cannot even tell you like how amazing this meal was. I did call my doctor to ask the results from the anatomy scan, but they didn't pick up, and they have like a voice messaging service. So I went ahead and left a voicemail, which I probably shouldn't. I probably just should have kept calling. But I did leave a voicemail just so they can keep my name on the radar, and hopefully my results come in so I can figure out or find out how baby is. It's a little nerve-wracking, but I am still pretty stoked to hear how baby is. So I called and baby is healthy. I called and baby is healthy, and I cannot be any more relieved right now. Like, I am so grateful and thankful and relieved and so happy, you guys. You have no idea. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now that I am a hot mess, I can actually talk with you guys. So yes, I found out that my baby is healthy. The reason why I think I got so emotional just now is because I was like so glued into editing my vlog, and the vlog was talking about, you know, I deleted a lot of it, but there was a lot of parts in that vlog before I deleted them or removed them. There was a lot of parts where I'm talking about how I'm nervous and I just want the baby to be okay. And you guys have probably heard me say that so many times. Literally made my day. Like, my birthday is totally made now. Like, the best birthday present I could have ever gotten. I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful, and I just like got off the phone and just bawled my eyes out, as you guys saw. Like, even when I got done talking to you guys, I just cried even harder. My husband had like the sweetest thing to say to me after I told him that the baby was healthy. It's just a really emotional time. There's a lot of like roller coasters that you'll be really nervous because you don't know if everything's okay, if you're okay, if baby's okay. Like, now you have 2 people to worry about at a time. Like, every day I have to worry about my health and his health every single day, and it just becomes very scary and emotional and nerve-wracking, and it's just it's hard. So I'm just really grateful and thankful for a healthy baby, and it just made my day. All right, I probably have pizza in my teeth, and I know my makeup is all over the place. Getting a little bit of a crash from the coffee, and you guys know I can only have 1 cup, so this would kind of be the time that I would drink a 2nd cup and have a 2nd cup. So I am gonna go ahead and get some juice. Sometimes just the sugar from juice is enough to kind of wake me up again. So I just got done cleaning. I vacuumed the floor. I put powder on the floor to try and freshen it up. I did a little bit of dusting. I vacuumed the couch. Like, I have to do like twice a day at least, because the dogs always laying on it. They always lay on it overnight, and they always lay on it when we leave. And if you guys have any suggestions on how we can break that, let me know. They only do it when we can't see them. I've put like stools up on the couch, but that's even more frustrating. Like, I don't want it to be so much more difficult for my husband and I to like leave the house, because already it's like a hassle, because they run around and they chase us. They can tell when we're gonna leave, and they chase us all around the house as we're trying to finish getting ready, and or they're begging to go to the bathroom, and they know that they get a TREAT when we leave, so they just chase us around until we finally give them one. So that gets a little bit frustrating, and just adding 1 more chore on top of it just is like too much. I'm just trying to figure out like how we can break them. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I am willing to buy something that I may need to buy. I've seen like mats that you can put on the couch, and if the dog jumps on it, it'll go off. The way that my couch is, I can't put it under the cushions though, which is what a lot of people did, because it hides it and it makes the dog not know that it's even there. And so for us, unfortunately, I can't do that because we have a recliner couch. And so I'd have to put it on top so they would see it. And I just worry if they get used to seeing this mat on top and then, oh, one day it's not up there anymore, I just worry that they'll start laying on the couch again. So let me know what you guys have done to break your dogs of that. It's really hard to break it when they only do it when we're gone. Tomorrow's actually my birthday, so we are gonna go have dinner and cake at my parents' house, which is gonna be delicious. We are going to a Japanese steakhouse for my dinner, and then we are gonna have a yummy ice cream cake, so I'm really excited for that. And I don't know what else we're gonna do like in the daytime. I don't even know if we're really gonna do anything. So I love how I just received a phone call from my insurance, and I immediately called back. I got off the camera with you guys so I could immediately call them back, and they closed an hour ago. So why did you call me an hour after you're closed and tell me to call back, but yeah, you're closed? Because I called back and then I couldn't get through to them because they were closed. So that's annoying, but whatever, it's fine. I went ahead and got stuff done around the house I wanted to get done before my husband got home, and I went ahead and took a shower, and I am so tired. I don't even think we're gonna watch The Bachelor tonight. I don't think we're gonna do anything but sleep. I am exhausted. I don't know, I thought the whole exhaustion would feel better during the second trimester, but it is still so real. Like, so totally real. Like, I felt so good all day, and then all of a sudden I just like crashed. I hit this wall and I cannot get past it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and do, I painted my toenails, I'm gonna hurry up and do my fingernails, and then I am going to literally pass out because I am that tired.
For this works.
Ground gas closes a start.
Wow. How many minutes is left?
Minute and 30.
8. Set booster ignition at 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
That's so cool.
Oh yeah.
We gotta go someday.
Keep going, keep going.
You see it?
Not yet.
Shouldn't we be able to by now?
No.
What? Yes. Usually you see it right away. Where?
I should head over the street.
Oh, it's out. Move. Oh my gosh.
I think because it's actually going diagonal instead of vertical.
How cool.
It should get outside the stratosphere in 20 seconds at least.